If you've ever wanted to change the font color in Evernote, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to format text and change the color of your note content in Evernote Desktop. This is super useful if you want to highlight important points, organize your notes better, or simply make certain sections stand out. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials every week. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Evernote desktop app and click into the note you want to edit. Make sure you're in the correct note before you start formatting anything, especially if you have a lot of notes saved. Once your note is open, find the text you want to change. Click and drag your cursor across the exact words or sentence you want to format. This is important because Evernote only changes the formatting of the selected text, so if you don't highlight it first, the color option won't apply where you want it to. After selecting your text, look at the formatting toolbar at the top of the note panel. Depending on your Evernote version, the toolbar may appear right above the editor or along the top of the note area. In that toolbar, locate the Text Color button. It usually looks like a colored circle or a letter A with a colored line underneath it. Once you find it, click it to open the color menu. You should now see a drop-down palette with different color choices. From here, simply click the color you want to apply to the selected text. Evernote will instantly update the font color so you can see the change right away. If you want to make multiple sections stand out, just repeat the same process for each block of text. Select the next part, open the color menu again, and choose a different color if needed. This is a great way to separate headings, reminders, action items, or key ideas in your notes. If you don't see the color options immediately, double-check that you are using the desktop version of Evernote, because some formatting tools can look different on mobile or in the web app. Also remember that font color changes work best when the text is already selected first. So the basic formula is simple. Open the note, highlight the text, click the text color icon, and choose your color. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can make your Evernote notes much easier to read and more visually organized. If this walkthrough saved you time, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.